we can have a fight. I mean, we're just gonna stare at each other all day. And about the fight of Beyblades, it's attack type Baybell, okay? So you'll just be staring at me for a while and my dad will prepare. Okay, so bye. Oh yeah, and it will also include the fastest pace, so enjoy. But first you have to stare at me all day. It's Friday, Friday. We can have all fun on Friday. Yay! Hello, everybody. I'm the first Spider-Man ever. Yay! I can stare at you all day. I think my dad is already done. We can start the fight now. Wait, I'm not done yet, Daddy. Wait, I'm not done yet. The bell is starting. Ow!
Hello everybody, this is Sora X Lover 33K and I'm gonna show you the fight of Beyblades. This is an attack type battle, so try to enjoy my fight because I don't care. It includes the fastest Bey ever. Look! So have fun! Hey Pikachu, why don't you choose your Pokemon?
Hello, everybody. It's me, Pikachu. I'm gonna choose a Beyblade. I chose this one.
Well, he chooses this one, Galaxy Eldrago. Yeah, he's dumb. I just make it out of his voice. See, I was the one who's making it, not him. Of course not him, it's a stuffed toy. You see? That was me. Okay, whatever, I'm gone. I mean, he's gone. Okay, we're gonna start the fight, so enjoy the bell, because I'm not with this guy. Whatever. First one's in. Clear it. The second one's here. Clear it. Well, that was fast. This already get 1 point. So, whatever. Let's get to the next one. Clear it. Clear it. Wait, did you see that? Well, I don't know how to play something, so let's just restart. That's no point because it just outburst stuff and it didn't hit a single base. So let's do it again. But it was cool, the one that you saw, right? Right? Okay. Rip. Rip. Okay. That was weird. But still, this one wins, overall winner. So I don't care because it's the fastest Bey, and when it hits my eye, it's going to be a loser Frank. So whatever, let's just get out of here. So bye. See me on the next